Puma has declared changes and updates to its 2018 XE, XF, and F-Pace models, and the enormous one is a fresh out of the plastic new Ingenium 4-chamber motor. It replaces a more seasoned 4-barrel that was accessible on the 2017 XE line, and it will be the principal gas 4 accessible on both the greater XF vehicle and the F-Pace hybrid. This most recent Ingenium motor is a turbocharged 2.0-litre fuel 4-chamber like the more seasoned Jag motor it replaces. This one has its ventilation system coordinated into the barrel head, and it utilizes a twin-scroll turbocharger. It produces 247 PU and 269 pound-feet of torque, which are changes of 7 HP and 18 pound-foot over the XE's old turbocharged 4. Additionally, top torque is likewise accessible a bit lower than with the past motor, at 1,200 RPM versus 1,750. It imparts its engineering to the Ingenium diesel 4-chamber. The XE additionally gets some powertrain cherish at the highest point of the range, obtaining a motor from its greater kin. Puma is presenting another XES show with the 380 strength supercharged 3.0-litre V6. Beforehand, the most intense motor accessible on the XE was the 340 torque variant of that V6, which will at present be accessible. The XE gets another overhaul as an accessible 12.3-inch instrument board show, when optioned with the Jaguar Touch Pro infotainment framework that is likewise accessible on alternate models. The huge news for the XF is that its base value drops somewhat now that a 4-barrel show has been included. The back drive display with the new Ingenium motor begins at $48,770 instead of $49,245 for the least expensive 2017 XF, which had a diesel 4-barrel and back-wheel drive. The drawback is that diesel purchasers will pay $50,270 for the 2018 adaptation of a similar auto. Some other innovation overhauls have pervaded the lineup also. These 2018 Jaguars will be accessible with a forward cross-activity caution and a framework that will demonstrate controlling edge and separation to objects on screen amid moderate forward moving. The last appears to be chiefly helpful for tight parking spots. These highlights are accessible with Jaguar's surround camera system. Puma additionally presented a framework that will enable clients to pay for gas, or diesel, from the auto's touchscreen utilizing Apple Pay, Android Pay, or PayPal.